Alright, so today we'll be working on the old Ford Model A. So that's a 31 Murray. And the next step on the car, we're kind of at standstill, is got to have the engine and transmission in there so we can continue floor plan, brakes, electrical, firewall, interior. It all depends on where the engine transmission sits. So I have a 292 inline Chevy I got from my dad, and a Turbo 400 I picked up. So we're gonna get these mated together and then get them set in the car and start working on getting the pinion angle and building engine mounts. So I'll be back once I get them mated. All right, mounted together. Let's get the rat rod underneath it now. All right, it's in there. It's not dead center and straight yet, but it's just setting in there. Looks like I'm gonna have to probably move the transmission mount back and the brake booster mount that's in here, because we're too close and back and nice and tight. Got tons of room right here, but we don't got enough room for a radiator. So I'm gonna have to move that back. All right, so that's where we're gonna stop at for tonight. Gonna have to weigh out some options, what I'm gonna do, because cutting the cross member out, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm gonna have to lift the body up off the frame, which is good news is it's not bolted down. So, but that's where we're at right now. It sure does look good in here. You know, not everything needs a V8. I'm a big V8 guy. I think they're cool, but 292 is pretty damn cool when done right.